everyone! Are you ready for the ultimate girls' trip to Jamaica? I'm here to tell you all about the best places for you and your gal pals to visit on this beautiful island paradise. First up, we have the iconic 7-Mile Beach in Negril. This stunning stretch of white sand is the perfect place to relax, soak up the sun, and enjoy some fun in the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean Sea. Whether you're looking to work on your tan or try out some water sports like snorkeling or paddleboarding, 7-Mile Beach has got you covered. Next, let's head over to the Blue Mountains. This lush green mountain range is a must-see for any nature-loving girl gang. Take a hike through the verdant forests, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and enjoy panoramic views of the island below. And don't forget to stop by one of the local coffee plantations for a taste of some of the best coffee in the world. Of course, no trip to Jamaica would be complete without a visit to the world-famous Dunn's River Falls in Ocho Rios. This natural wonder is a series of cascading waterfalls that you and your friends can climb up hand in hand as the cool water rushes over you. It's a truly exhilarating experience that you'll never forget. For a taste of Jamaican culture, be sure to visit the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston. This iconic museum is located in the former home of the reggae legend himself and is filled with memorabilia, artifacts, and interactive exhibits that celebrate his life and music. You can even take a guided tour to learn more about the man behind the music. And last but not least, make sure to spend some time in the vibrant city of Montego Bay. This bustling town is known for its lively nightlife, delicious food, and colorful markets. Take a stroll down the hip strip, sample some authentic Jamaican cuisine, and dance the night away at one of the local clubs or bars. So there you have it, ladies. Jamaica is the perfect destination for your next girls' trip. From relaxing on the beach to exploring the mountains, waterfalls, and cities, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So grab your besties, pack your bags, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Jamaica awaits!